Let's take a look at some of the resources and tools available through the Transactional Intelligence Center on Bloomberg Law. One thing to keep in mind about Bloomberg Law is that they are constantly changing how the homepage looks. So there is no necessary guarantee that the next time you log on to this website, it will look exactly like this. For now, you can access the Transactional Intelligence Practice Center through this Practice Centers and Tools link, or a safe bet is to click on Browse and then access it there. The Transactional Intelligence Center collects various drafting tools as well as practical guidance all in one place. Let's take a look at the Practical Guidance Library, which contains legal know-how on various topics. For instance, if you don't know what an IPO is, you can learn all about initial public offerings and see all of the resources it has on IPOs in one place. One of Bloomberg Law's claims to fame is its precedents database. The source of agreements and precedents in this database are from exhibits to SEC filings. This database allows you to search across over 1 million agreements, and they are organized by document type as well as industry, and you have various fields for which you can search. I am going to search for the AT&T Time Warner merger agreement. So I know that this document was an M&A, so let me go ahead and click that off under document type. And then I know the party names. So I have AT&T and Time Warner. This will retrieve that October 2016 agreement and plan of merger. So that I can look at what that agreement said. The documents within the Precedents and Documents database also have something called a draft analyzer. If you click on that Run Draft Analyzer link, it will compare this document and the language within it with the language from all of the other documents in this Precedents and Documents database. So if we look at this clause about the merger, we see that this language is similar to various other paragraphs found in other agreements within this database. We can compare our language with all of the languages pulled from other contracts and agreements. We can also click on Compare Our Text to see what we have compared to what is most commonly written in the other contracts. It provides me with suggestions as to how I might consider changing my language to make it more market ready. You don't have to have a particular agreement in mind when searching across this database. For instance, if you just want to find an agreement on a certain topic because you can't find one through a forms collection, you can search by title to see what precedent documents are available. So say I am interested in a web layout copyright license agreement. I can run that search and see if any other companies have had an agreement with those keywords in its title. And I find a few different examples. Bloomberg Law allows you to download these documents by clicking on this download or save link up here.